The Mercedes CLA 220 is a car model produced by the German automotive manufacturer Mercedes-Benz. Regarding the gearbox, the Mercedes CLA 220 typically comes equipped with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. This type of transmission combines the efficiency of a manual gearbox with the convenience of an automatic, providing smooth and quick gear changes. In terms of general indicators, it's important to note that specifications may vary depending on the model year and specific configuration of the vehicle. The Mercedes CLA 220 is a compact luxury sedan that offers a blend of style, performance, and advanced features. Powertrain: the CLA 220 is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine. The exact power output may vary, but it typically produces around 187 horsepower and 221 pounds-to-foot of torque. Performance: the CLA 220 delivers a dynamic driving experience with responsive acceleration and handling. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 7 seconds, depending on the specific configuration. Fuel efficiency: Mercedes-Benz vehicles, including the CLA 220, are known for their emphasis on fuel efficiency. The exact fuel economy may vary based on factors such as driving conditions and the vehicle's specifications, but the CLA 220 typically offers respectable fuel efficiency for its class. Interior features: the CLA 220 boasts a well-appointed interior with premium materials and advanced technology features. It may include amenities such as a multimedia system with a touchscreen display, smartphone integration, Bluetooth connectivity, advanced driver assistance systems, and luxury appointments like leather upholstery. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel.